Alright, welcome back again, viewers and subscribers. So I'm here right next to Castor bean plant, scientifically called Ricinus communis. And though I've just touched it with my hand, caution is advised always when dealing with this plant to ensure you wear protective covering clothing, gloves, because according to Guinness Book of World Records, it's the world's most poisonous plant, because it contains a water soluble toxin called ricin, right? It's a lectin, and it's known to cause death via inhalation of the seeds, powdered form, injection under the skin. There was an individual in London in 1978 who was poisoned this way via an umbrella. Okay, he was injected under his skin, and he died. It's something also used in biological warfare under Mussolini's regime, his reign. Yeah, he had caused a lot of individuals to be subject to consuming that. Caused bad side effects, right, which led to them dying. Right, so it's also a part of the Euphorbiaceae family, the spurge family. Right, it's a perennial, and it's found a lot in the tropical regions. Although can be found in the Mediterranean basin, can be found in India, and also Eastern Africa. It's known to be used a lot highly in cosmetics, for your skin, for your complexion, for your hair, improving circulation to your head, to your scalp, so that can lead to hair growth. And also the ricin in medicine, it's used to fight cancer cells, right? They do their experiments. They use ricin, and the way ricin really works in the body, this chemical constituent, is that it targets the cells, the proteins, and the fact that your cells cannot make protein, then yeah, leads them dying. And then you know how that whole thing goes. Systematically, you will die. Right, so it's also well, in the Ayurvedic medicine, their system there in India, it's known as the king when it comes to treating arthritic diseases. The oil of it, the castor oil, it's known to treat arthritic diseases. The king, right? It's even been used since in Egypt by Cleopatra. The Egyptians they use it for their lamps, because it's a biofuel, right? Even as you know, famously castor oil in those diesel engines, those engines, right, can use for that also. And here we have it growing quite abundant here in St. Vincent, in the Caribbean here, all about. I've been harvesting a lot recently, and I just find it's quite, yeah, it's quite astonishing. You have it so much in abundance, you know, and you know it's hardly been utilized, but it's quite very invasive, as you would know. Even in Auckland, New Zealand, they warn people not to plant it, because, like I said, it's very poisonous. Even recently in Wales, the UK, there a lady, she was working in the park, and she noticed it in a flower bed, and so she had contacted the relevant authorities to come and look at it, to get rid of it, right? It's also antifungal, also insecticidal, right? It's also anthelmintic, like helping to expel parasites, right? In Haiti, when the newborns are born, they use it as a purgative for their first stool, right? Yes, so it's famously known as for its use as being a laxative, right? 15, I think, milliliters. Yeah, yeah, that's the normal dosage, right? Also, it's known to be anti-inflammatory, antibacterial. Yeah, there are quite a number of studies being done on this. You can even look this up yourself, right? And although it's called castor bean, it's not really a bean. It's not really from the Fabaceae family, right? It's well, the seed is shaped like a tick. From the name really, Ricinus, right? Was given that name by Carl Linus, right? Because of its appearance like a tick, an engorged tick that just sucked a lot of blood, right? And the seeds are the most lethal part of the plant, but if the hull is kept intact, it can be swallowed, and you will not have any encounter any problems. But if you tend to maybe possibly eat the seeds, and the hull breaks open, that releases the chemical constituent ricin, right? So this is one plant you really need to be very careful with. Right, so yeah, these are what the seeds like. When they're ready, they will break apart and expose the seeds that have a tick appearance. All right, and there are quite a lot of varieties, right? Quite a lot of varieties in it, right? See, these ones not really matured as yet. Yeah, these ones aren't really matured as yet. These are how they look, spiky and round. Yeah. But just below the airport here, above Stubbs, there are quite a lot. Actually, came over here to do a video and also take some pictures of Turtle Island and some other pictures. Yeah, of the landscape, and Kingshill Mountain also up there. Wow. Yeah. So yeah, that's castor bean plant, Ricinus communis. So yep. Thanks again for watching.